Alright, we're gonna do a midnight segment of what's in Kim's fridge. Alright, let's get started. Whole milk. 2 things of margarine, which is a vast improvement over the 7 that we used to have layered in the fridge. Creamer, eggnog, margarine, pickles, sour cream. So basically dairy. And then the second layer of our fridge consists of egg, yogurt, cat food, because you know cats need to eat, and garlic. No, not too interesting, but there you go. But we have condiments and Daft. Corned beef and cabbage. This to me smells like a fart. We have our meat drawer here. It consists of lots and lots of pork chops. Yummy. We have our veggie drawer, and it has ham in it, because you know ham's a vegetable. They eat vegetables. And salad and tortillas. And then we have our secondary meat drawer, and it has avocados. I don't even think anyone eats avocados here. Mystery meat. I think it's meat. It's possible. Bacon. Alright, so then we have the side. Butter, 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 butter. Bam! Lots and lots of butter. Butter's good with everything. Cheese. And then we have 3 things. Oh, butter. That's not supposed to go there. Butter! Butter. Okay. Condiments. Salad dressing. Salad dressing. And more salad dressing. So, that's my fridge. I'm gonna look at the freezer. It's not too interesting, but you know, it has stuff in it. Like ice cubes and meats, a variety of meats. Ice packs, because you know that's where ice packs are. And blood worms for the frogs. Yes, I own frogs. They're awesome. Alright. And sea monkeys, because you know who doesn't like frozen sea monkeys? That's my refrigerator. I hope you enjoyed the tour.